What are you doing over there? You're just flying around the house everywhere. You look so handsome. Look at you. What are you doing? You're a good boy. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're playing on the cat tree. Well, good morning. I was wondering where you are. Are you watching the sun come up with your friends? Oh my goodness. Well, tell me how you really feel. Yeah. He thinks he's a cat. It's all he's ever known. See, I rescue kitties. I do. I introduce all the new fosters. Yes, I do, don't I? He's a good girl. You're so silly. Are you a good boy, Thurston? Yes, you are. How's my baby? You look so cute there on your little candy cane bed. Uh-oh. Is it Wilson? Hello, buddy. Hello. You're so silly. Oh my goodness. Who is that? Who is that? What are you doing? Are you a good boy? The kitties are fighting. Do you hear the kitties fighting? You go get those kitties. Good boy. You tell him. You tell him who's boss.